Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. So, what did you think? The intro? Instead of the 27 seconds that many gents said commenting that it was too long, I made a new one and it's 8 seconds long. So, what'd you think of it? Let me know. The music too rough for you? A little too hard driving? You don't like the bang at the end? How about all the different cuts real quick? Let me know. I listen and I can correct it. I can change it up. So I value your input. Please leave a message down below. Let me know about the intro, what your thoughts are on it. I know it's shorter, so that should be better. Tell me about the rest. So let's get to work now. My previous video, I showed you how to cork the razor blade to make it smoother on the initial or first shave. And many gents have said that the feather blades and the derby blades are a little bit too rough on that first shave. So corking the blade, just running the blade through the cork once on each side or 2 or 3 times on each side would make that first shave much better and smoother. And also some say that this will improve the longevity of the blade, which that remains to be seen. I showed you how to do it in the previous video, but I did not shave and test it. So I thought I would test it in this video. So what I will do, I'll take a feather blade, 2 feather blades, and the Merkur 34C, the workhorse of the industry. I'll use the same razor. I actually thought of using 2 different razors for the blades, but you know, tolerance in the razors can be slightly different. So I'll use 1 razor. I'll shave the right side of my face with the corked blade. I'll shave the left side with the uncorked blade, and I'll see if I can feel any type of a difference. All right, so let's get to work. First I will, let's see. The players in the game today will be the Taylor of Old Bond Street Lime Zest Shaving Cream. Nice summery citrus shaving cream right here. I'll use the Shave Nation Patriot brush. And I'm not even going to use the Shave Nation bowl today. I'm just going to do a quick face lathering. How's that? So I will warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. We're going to cork the blade. We're going to have at it. Here we go. All right, I'm going to take the brush. I'm just going to run it under the warm water, soaking all the bristles of the brush and just shaking that out slightly. And I'll crack the cap on the Tob's Lime Zest. Just go right in here, just wet the tips slightly like that. And I'm just going to run it under the water just a little bit and right to the face. A little more water. If you do the face lathering, you just add water sparingly as you go along until you reach your desired consistency with the shaving cream. No problem making a face lather with this cream. Just a couple drops more water. Drive it right in. I had a couple days worth of beard growth, so I'm shaving something off, that's for sure. A little more water. All right, figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe, swipe. Now let's dry the fingers for this procedure. Somebody also had the brilliant idea that you can just leave the blade in the wrapper. So here's the feather blade. That's the package. Here's what it looks like in the wrapper. I'm going to leave it in the wrapper, one side of it anyway, and I'm going to cork the blade. I'll run the blade right through one time. That's one side. Now I'll just fold the paper over, open the other side up, like so. Fold that back, hold it from the paper, and cork the other side. Run it right through. Okay, that's the corked blade right there. let's shave with that one first. I'll open up the 34C, drop that right over the pin and the post. Careful not to slice myself. Alright, reinstall the top cap. Okay, here we go. I'm going to temper it under the cold water, just like I always do. I have to move it away for a second. Okay, here we go, right side. Find your angle. Very nice. It does seem nice and smooth. Let's flip it over and hit the other side. It definitely didn't dull the blade to the point where you can't shave with it. Maybe it just takes off enough of the burr to make it a comfortable shave. Alright, let me rinse this and I'll hit the mustache. Okay, one pass was nice and smooth, no problem. Now I'll remove this blade. Set it off to the side. Here, check it out. Look, I just took it out. You can see the stubble that's left on it. See that? Okay, next blade. Brand new feather. This one has not been corked. Right over the post and the two pins like so. Reinstall. All right, under the cold water again. Let's see if we can feel the difference. Left side. Interesting. I do feel that this is just slightly a little bit rougher. It's a little bit, maybe even the feedback is different too. I do feel like maybe a tad sharper, just a little bit of a difference. Let's rinse this. Now the mustache. As they say, they say it's a little bit harsher. I do feel like it's slightly harsher, but it is a little bit sharper. So if your face can handle it, no need to cork the blade. If you experience some irritation, then you may want to think about corking the blade. Let me rinse this. Let me do a rinse, see what it feels like. Interesting. I feel like that's weird because I feel like it's softer on this side. Listen. Other side. Got that? So with the corked blade on the right side here, it's shaved smoother and I believe that it took off more of the beard. Listen. And then the left side where it felt sharper and a little bit harsher while I was shaving, I don't believe it took off as much of the beard. Feel. Listen. Right? So that's one pass. That's all we need for the experiment. I don't need to go any further. Very interesting and totally blown away that I did not think it was going to happen that way, but it did. So I guess maybe there is something to corking the blade. There you go. So that was quite an interesting little experiment, and I'm totally surprised by the results from it. The corked blade to me shaved smoother and removed more of the beard growth, where the blade that was right out of the package and did not get corked, it was a little bit harsher, but did feel sharper, but didn't remove as much of the beard. So I was totally surprised. I didn't think it was going to turn out that way. Give it a go yourself. See what you think. Try a blade that's corked. Try one that's uncorked. Report down below. Let us hear about it. I'm sure we'd all like to hear the results. If shaving with a corked blade improves the shave and the amount of beard removed over an uncorked blade, I'm wondering if it will improve the longevity of the blade as well. That remains to be seen. So again, try it. See if the blade life extends, if you can get more shaves out of a single blade, and let us know down below. That will take a while. You know, you need to get 3, 4, 5 shaves, maybe 6, 7, 8, who knows. It possibly does improve the longevity of the blade as well. Let's find out. Topic for a future video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to pick up any blades, razor, soap, creams, whatever, just click down below the video where it says show more for the items used in this video, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share the love of wet shaving. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.